Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the option called connectivity. Once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the Wi-Fi option, and here make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Once it is, scroll down, tap on My Networks, and right here you should see the list of networks your watch has saved, basically is connected to. Or maybe not connected, but the networks are saved on your watch, and if you're in the range, the watch will automatically connect to them. And if you want to disconnect from the network, you need to find it on this list, tap on it, and then tap on Remove. And once you remove the network by pressing the Start to confirm, it will disappear from this list. And after it does, your watch won't connect to it anymore. So basically you disconnect it from the network. And then we can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.